In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix can't connect to Apple Music. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app reconnects. You should also turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network connection. Next, check for app update. Launch App Store, search for the app Apple Music. If you see the option update, click on it. Now launch the app, completely close it and reopen it. Likewise, restart your device. This will clear temporary glitches that prevent the app from connecting. Sometimes the issue is caused by Apple servers. You can check the live system status. So launch your preferred browser, type in Apple System Server, navigate to this one website, click on the plus option. From this list, find Apple Music. If you see the option of under maintenance over here, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Next, check your Apple ID subscription. For that, launch settings. Click on your Apple ID, select the option subscription. Confirm that your Apple Music plan has not expired. Likewise, signing out of your Apple ID and signing back in can also refresh account authentication and fix connection problems. Lastly, reset network settings. For that, head back. Click on the option General, scroll all the way down. Now click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on the option Reset, click on Reset Network Settings and continue through the process. That's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.